Hello and welcome, this is the Solaris X, and I got you a new fix for Metal Gear Solid 2. Basically, with Metal Gear Solid 2, there's a controller issue using PC Metal Gear Solid 2, and also you cannot play without a disc. So what we've done over here, as you can see, if you try and run it, it says please insert Metal Gear Solid 2 Substance Disc. One sec. As you can see right by there, to insert Metal Gear Solid 2 Substance Disc. Over here is a new Metal Gear Solid 2 Substance controller fix, which is would fix the CD issue as well. So it has a no CD patch as well. So you wanna right click here. The download will be available for you in the description as well. Open file location, and you could see this destination. You want to copy this destination. Copy this file. The destination bar right up by there. You need to copy the destination location. And over here, for this fix, you want to double click this. You want to right click the destination folder and paste. So now we got where it's destined to be, and then simply click extract. This would extract the file for you. Job done. Now what we got yes, though we got the Metal Gear Solid 2 game right by here, but we need to run the new fix. This is the new fix right by here. You want to go to settings, and applying your settings fix will automatically run set compatibility flags. Okay, check the compatibility flags there. You can switch main aspect ratio on or off, aspect 16.9 on or off, full screen cutscene on or off. You can use window mode on or off, and resolution. That's when you come to graphics, you can use these as well. Resolution 1980, not 1920 but 1080 now. 1920 by 1080. So we got like full screen resolution there. With the controls, you want to click the Xbox controller if you're using Xbox controller, or if you're using a DualShock 4 controller, you use that for the PS controller, and you can select which type. So Xbox, and I'm on the VS type. So this is the buttons: items menu, weapons menu, katana parry, auto aim target, jab. This is for your action. X is for the fire, pause, codec. A is to duck or whatever. You want to save this now, and then click start. We should get into the game for you now. Oh. That didn't quite work because I ended it too soon. But if we run it again for now, as you can see, I'm running the game. I'm gonna play with the controller as well, so you know I'm not making anything dodgy. So you know I'm not doing anything dodgy. I'll show you the controller as well. New game, Tanker Plant, very easy. Type 1.
Hudson River, 2 years ago.
Full screen on the cutscenes.
The mission? Alright, let's look at your gear. Your weapon is a tranquilizer gun converted from a Beretta M92.
Are we going to try this first person view thing now? Make sure everything's working.
We need to get a fix.
The right analog button to go to first person view. Then you aim with the left analog button. Then you hold on X to aim your weapon, and then LB to automatically aim at your target. Then release X to shoot. Now we're going to come around quickly and come across here. You pick up a Russian. No, there's no Russian there. That's fine. You pick up an item right by here. And go straight up. As you can see, everything's working as appropriate. Put away the weapon. Pick up stuff like this with the X button. You can see if there's anything else even higher. That's where the other guard was, so we come across here. We can pick up bullets from him. And Y is for action, so you can hang over the ledges and everything with the Y button. Press the back button for the codec. And then Y button is the action button where you can open doors and everything. So everything works fine with the controller and without the CD.
Trying to find my way back home to you. I'm so alone. Nothing feels like home. I'm so alone.
Freeze.
Trying to find my way back home to you.
Aim at his head. Try to make him shaking it.
Are you going to shoot me?
Oh, it didn't shake that time. I couldn't get his badge. But as you can see, everything's working fine. No issues. Controller works excellent, as you can see. And I do hope you enjoyed that fix. So this has been the Solaris X fixing game fix. All the best. Take care.